Hey, I've been waiting for you guys all day. We're gonna play Baa Baa Black Sheep today. Shahrzad's gonna teach us all the notes, so get ready.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, this channel is about teaching violin to kids and beginners.
It's also about having fun and hanging out with you guys.
Today we're gonna cover the G string note, and at the end we want to play a song on the G string. The G is the thickest sound that we have in violin. So the open string, this is the fourth strings from the top. So that is G. So I'm gonna hold, set everything, and I'm gonna count like always till number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So the first finger on the G string name is A. I'm gonna do the same thing, count till number 4, and push the strings completely to the fingerboard, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna keep my first finger down, and I'm gonna add the second one. The name is B. Remember, when you want to put your fingers, you have to put them exactly on the stickers, and you have to stick them to the fingerboard. 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. B, 2, 3, 4. The third finger name is C. I'm going to keep the other down, and I'm going to add my third finger. 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. So do it again 7 times, 4 times with looking at your fingers, and do the same thing with closed eyes. Play till you make a very clear sound on the G string. This song that we're gonna play today is the Baa Baa Black Sheep.
Did you say sheep? I love eating sheep.
Behave yourself. We are not amused.
I know it's gonna be boring at the beginning, but please clap and read the music before you want to play with the violin. Instead of saying da, because we have the letters and we have notes, we can tell their names. So in this song, we have a quarter note, an A, and a half note. As you remember, I'm gonna clap 1 for a quarter note. I'm gonna clap 2 times for a half note and an eighth note. Every time I clap is 1 note. Every time I open my clap is another one. So let's read it with just clapping. So as always, I'm gonna count till number 4 because the beginning is a big letter C. C is the same thing as 4/4. If you see a 4/4 or C, you have to count till number 4. So it's gonna be 2 and 3 and 4 and G, G, D, D, E, 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 D, C, C, B, B, A, G, D, 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 C, 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 B, 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 A, D, 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 C, 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 B, 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 A, G, G, D, D, E, 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 D, C, C, B, B, A, G. So the tempo of this song is moderato, but if you need to do this slower at the beginning, it doesn't matter. Start with the tempo you're comfortable with, and then after you play it exactly on the rhythm, your fingers just land on the right place, then make it a bit faster and faster and faster till you reach the right tempo. So we're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna read first, then you're gonna play, because exactly how you're gonna read something, you're gonna play like that. So now I practice the reading and clapping, everything is good. Now I can play on my violin. Again, I'm gonna count till number 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and G, and G, and D, and D, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4.
Wow, nice. You got that down, Shahrzad. What'd you think, Mr. Sheep?
Oh, how very droll.
What? Get out of here. Your mom was a sweater.
Again, you have to keep the tempo from the beginning till the end. So the tempo I start at the beginning is the same thing till the end. If you can't keep the tempo, practice with the metronome. Make it on a tempo you're comfortable with. After you play 3 times without any mistakes, then make it a little bit faster, So make it fast step by step. The worst thing we can do is start to play fast for the first time. So if you like this song, if you want me to perform more songs for you, please share this video to your friend. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, you guys made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Let's keep it going. Go ahead and click the next video. It's going to come up on the playlist to the right. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Join us for all our next videos. Thanks again, guys. Let's keep it going.